Story for teenage girls and boys. Bouquet. Written by Mukhtar Ahmad. Story for teenage girls and boys. Bouquet. Written by Mukhtar Ahmad. The girl was extremely charming. She must have been about 19 or 20 years old. She was wearing modern, fashionable clothes, and on her feet were shoes from a well-known brand. From her appearance and the way she was dressed, she seemed to belong to a wealthy family. She had come to the railway station with her mother. Her brother was due to arrive on the 10:30 train, along with his newlywed wife. It was already 10 o'clock at night. The girl was sitting on a bench, watching people pass by. Her mother was busy talking to someone on her mobile phone. From her manner, she appeared to be a strict woman. All the benches at the station were occupied. As the crowd was very heavy, those who could not find space on the benches were sitting on their suitcases and luggage. Some women were sitting on the ground on spread-out cloths. The children who had come with them were running about here and there. Various street vendors were also moving around. Most of the items they carried were meant for children. As they passed near the children, calling out their wares, the children would stop and look at them. When the vendors moved on, the children would return to their games. A little distance away, amid the flow of people coming and going, a young boy was standing and continually looking towards the girl and her mother. He had a handsome face, but his clothes were simple. In his hand was a beautiful bouquet of flowers. The bouquet contained roses of many different colors, arranged among small rose-leafed stems and tied with a pink ribbon. This bouquet was known as a josie and was usually given by one lover to another. The boy was standing some distance away from the girl and her mother, who were seated on the bench. He looked at the bouquet once again, then glanced at the mother and daughter and began to think. There was a strange look of conflict on his face. It seemed as though he could not decide what he should do. Suddenly, due to some problem with the mobile signal, the girl's mother got up from the bench and walked a little distance away. Seeing her go, the boy gathered some courage. He walked quickly towards the girl and, holding out the bouquet, said, "All right, sister. If not 400, then you can just give 300 rupees. Auntie got unnecessarily angry over 100 rupees.